Motion of an artificial satellite. We know that artificial satellites are those satellites which also revolve around the earth, and these satellites are made by the scientist. How these satellites are able to revolve around the earth? These satellites are able to revolve around the earth due to the centripetal force. So the force of attraction between the satellite and the earth provide them necessary centripetal force, and due to this force of attraction the satellite is able to move in a circle. Now we will consider a body of mass m is moving in a circle of radius r with the velocity v0 at height h. So the formula of centripetal force is Fc is equals to mv square over r. And here we are writing the centripetal force of an artificial satellite. That is why we will write F force of centripetal force is equals to mv naught square over r naught. We know that the force is equals to weight of the object. That is why we will write here Fc is equals to weight. This force is equals to weight of the object, and weight is equals to mg. And this force of gravitation at height, that is why we will write h with the g. So in place of force we will write here mg. mg h is equals to remaining formula mv naught square over r naught. After that we will rearrange the equation. V naught square is equals to g h r naught. We cancel m with the m, and remaining values we have written in the formula. Now we will take square root on both sides of the equation. V naught square g h r naught. After that the square root will cancel with the 2, so it becomes equals to v naught g h r naught. R naught, this is equals to r plus h. Now we will put its value in the formula. R naught, radius of the orbit, is equals to radius of the earth and the height at which this satellite is present. So we will write here v naught is equals to g h r plus h. This is the final equation of motion of artificial satellite. So we have discussed about the motion of the artificial satellite which is revolving around the earth at a height. But if any object or any satellite revolve around the earth which is very close to the earth, so how can we find out its value? So we can say that this object or satellite which is revolving around the earth, it has no height. So we will write here the radius of the earth is more than the height. So the radius of the earth and height is approximately equals to the radius of the earth, because there is no height between the satellite or earth, or very small height. That is why the radius of the earth or height is approximately equals to the radius of the earth. And the value of g at height is also equals to the value of g. We know that the value of g varies at altitude, but here there is no altitude, so the value of g does not change. So we will write the formula v naught is equals to g r. After that we will put the values inside it. The value of g is 10, and the radius of earth is equals to 6.4 multiplied 10 raised to power 6 meter. So we will find out its value. It becomes equals to 8 meter 8 kilometer per second, or 29,000 kilometer per hour. So this is the approximately value of the satellite which is revolving very close to the earth.